employees are the heart of every organization. Managing your workforce manually can be an overwhelming job. Are you still using spreadsheets to manage employee attendance and payroll? Or searching for documents on your system? It makes HR processes prone to error and slows down decision-making. Do you have effective management tools? Or are you drowning in stationery? Now create happier workplaces. StrategicERP brings you its customizable human capital management software. With its self-service attendance and document management platform that automates workforce lifecycle management. Plan and automate hiring and onboarding activities, right from screening candidates and signing appointment letters to managing training. The self-service module allows employees to manage their data, such as daily tasks, appraisals, and increments. Automate payroll with statutory compliance and email pay slips, with the click of a button. Experience StrategicERP with no additional infrastructure cost, instant upgrades, easy scalability, multiple integrations, multiple device access, data analytics and reporting, real-time updates, data protection. Our HCM product can be utilized by any industry. We have served more than 600 clients worldwide in the domains of manufacturing, construction, infrastructure, real estate, services. Workforce automation can be effortless and efficient. Sounds unbelievable? Get in touch and schedule a free demonstration today. Contact us now. Inquiry@strategicerp.com. Also follow us on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn and Facebook.